C# struct. A struct is a value type in C#. It's used to store small data structures where class features like inheritance aren't needed. Unlike classes, structs store data directly, often on the stack. Here, in given example of struct field struct is a keyword that is used to define a struct. Fruit is the name of the struct. Fruit price is a field inside struct. Here, in given example of declaring a struct fruit, in this above code, we have created a struct named fruit. Here, we have declared a variable fruit of the struct fruit. Here, in given example of accessing member of struct fruit price equals 5, this accesses the fruit price ID field of struct fruit. Here, we have created a parameterized constructor fruit, with parameter price, name and is available respectively. We are using the new keyword to call the constructor. Here, 10, mango, and true are arguments passed to the constructor, where they are assigned to the parameters fruit price, fruit name and fruit is in market respectively. Structs are value types, they store data directly. Assigning one struct to another copies the data. They don't reference the same memory like classes do. Struct is a value type, and class is a reference type. Struct is stored in the stack, and class is stored in the heap. Inheritance is not possible in a struct, but it is possible in a class. The default constructor is provided by the compiler in a struct, but you can write your own default constructor in a class. In a struct we can copy entire data, but in a class we can copy reference of data. Best for small, lightweight data containers. Ideal if there is no need for inheritance or complex behavior. Good for performance-sensitive, simple types like coordinates, points, colors. Structs in C# are value types used for lightweight data structures. Defined with struct, they copy values instead of referencing them. They don't support class inheritance but can contain fields, methods, and constructors. Thank you.